Hi everyone, it's Deb. I'm sorry I'm late with my planning video. This is hashtag plan fun, get things done. And I had it written in to do on Sunday, but Sunday was Mother's Day and I had other plans for Sunday. So that didn't happen. And then this morning I had to go out to the post office and mail 4 packages, 3 prizes, and one Happy Mail for someone. Hopefully it's Happy Mail for her. Anyway, I did do a video about the Stampin' Up! Haul that I actually received yesterday on the 12th from USPS. Yeah, it was UPS to USPS, one of those deals. And I did that video already, so if you want to see what I got, it's not as big as when I was a demonstrator, lots of goodies and stuff, but it's still lots of goodies, but just not as many as I used to. And then this is the planner. So I did mail the packages. I received our electric bill and paid it. Um, I did the Stampin' Up! Video edit and upload. I'm doing the planner now, so that counts. I put work on the puzzle more. My daughter and her family gave us a puzzle to do, jigsaw puzzle, and at Christmas. And it's a Thomas Kincaid Disney scenes, really pretty. And then you have Mickey and Minnie and Pluto. I love Pluto. Anyway, and I love Goofy, but he's not in it. So I want to work on that a little bit more. We got the edges done and we got a little bit of progress on the bottom that my son was working on, a little bit of progress on the top that I was working on, but it's a 1,000-piece small piece puzzle. It's going to take us a little while. So my dining room table has been allotted to that. So I just want to do a little bit more on that if I can. I need to order more paper holders from Amazon for my 8.5 by 11 cardstock and also 12 by 12 loose scrapbook papers, Stampin' Up! Variety. I have to cook dinner. I had to make a decent dinner. Last night we just had salad with Jamaican jerk shrimp on, which was really good. But for some reason, my blood sugar shot up this morning, which is really weird. I didn't think it would with a salad and just a few of those medium-sized shrimp. Anyway, maybe the seasoning. As in hindsight, I'm supposed to make the Junk No More project for the collab tomorrow with oh gosh, Turquoise Dreaming, Sherry, and Maria's Miscellany, and where to use dryer sheets. And I have saved a few. I don't think that's going to be a very long video. I'll try and do something, but I just don't know what it's going to be like. But I have an eye doctor appointment in the morning. And also I want to do the altered index card project once I know the prompts. So I might be behind with the dryer sheet thing, or I might end up combining it with whatever next month's prompts are for that one. I'm just really not sure. I know when I was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, there were videos using the dryer sheets almost like ink pads, but you could put multiple ink refills on and then get a prettiness and then use it like an ink pad. I couldn't find those videos. Everything I searched was more using it to put glitter on your Christmas cards and stuff, and I don't want to deal with that. That's a mess. So anyway, tomorrow I also have to make the Crack the Vault projects and video, which I think goes up, yep, Friday the 17th, third Friday. And I don't know what I'm doing with that yet this month. Anyway. I also want to make Passion for Purple project and video, and this month it'll be for this channel, I believe. And so it'll be something with purple paper. That's for the 15th. That's hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick. Craft the Vault is hosted by Poet Spice, Jamie over at Poet Spice. And then I want to make jewelry for the 18th because I have a collab on my other channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More. It has to be up at noon on the 18th, and we do follow prompts there. We have some mandatory color schemes and then some optional challenges that we can or cannot do. I want to clean house in the afternoon. Thursday is Deck the Year, week 20, and I just want to do something artsy craftsy, but I don't know what yet. That's where we're altering a playing card. Week 20. We're almost halfway through the year, which is kind of scary to me. And I want to update my personal journal. I haven't used it for about a week or two, but I want to put my Longwood Gardens stuff in there and Mother's Day, just how I spent it with my son and things like that. I need to see if I can actually print some pictures on this printer. I've never tried it, so we'll see. Friday is the Crack the Vault collab. I have an eye doctor appointment here. It's been well, almost. It's been 2.5 years since I've been to the eye doctor. And pest control second visit is Friday afternoon, which is wonderful. That was for ants. We had a real big problem with small ants, and they have dissipated mostly now. But now they're out where I sit in the living room, and that's freaking me out. So I can't wait for them to come on Friday for visit number 2, and then they'll see if we need a third or a fourth visit. And I want to make jewelry on Friday and possibly Saturday too. And Sunday I left open. I'll write the gratitude in later. And I didn't put walk in here, but I'll tell you what, the weather's been wreaking havoc with us because last week, 2 weeks ago, was absolutely beautiful, perfect weather every single day almost, except for like one of them. Last week was cold, rainy, and miserable. Almost all week, except today. And then I think the next few days we're supposed to have rain again, and the temperature's climbing a little bit, so we'll probably be in the 70s Fahrenheit some of these days, but yeah, still, it's going down in the 40s at night. I'm like, we don't know whether to have the air conditioning on or the heat on. Last week, the heat, week before, the air conditioner. It's just like, it's crazy. Anyway, all this blue-green stuff, I had never opened this. Unless except maybe to share it when I bought it. This was from Michael's on clearance, and I don't a long time ago, before the pandemic for sure. Anyway, this tube of washi I don't remember ever using, so I pulled it out to use it. So the basis of my color scheme is that washi set, and I kind of like it. It's kind of got a boho sort of feel to it, that kind of thing. Oh, sorry, that is my friend texting me, of course. Anyway, so I have a few other stickers on here. I brought in the colorful boxes and me time, focus, doctor appointment. This one down here, you can't see. This is under this week's top 3: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, timely. And this one over here says your heart knows the way. And where it said notes, I just put a little note sticker. I didn't put anything in for Sunday. That seems to be the way I'm doing things now. Just that tends to be a family day, me day, whatever. And sometimes Saturday is too. And again, it's weather dependent. It might be a work on the puzzle all Sunday with my son again. Well, all Sunday afternoon after he gets up. I can work on it in the morning too. And I didn't put the boxes in for any particular reason other than there was white space, so I thought at least I could add some colorful white space. This quote says, happiness is a gift, and the trick is not to expect it, but to delight in it when it comes. Douglas McGrath. Yes. Delight in happiness when you receive happiness or when you experience happiness. That's a good one. I like that one. I didn't leave much room for gratitude. I'm kind of tired of doing that silly book. And the Happy Planner books that I used for these other stickers were watercolor, gold star quotes, and colorful boxes. I have so many of these and I'm trying to use them, but it's going to be this year, next year, probably 2 years from now. But I'm about sick of them, and so we'll see. I might end up just taking them to the thrift store or something when I'm really sick of them. So that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I apologize for being late. I usually try and get this up early Monday morning, but just wasn't happening this week. But I'm okay with it. It's still on Monday, my time anyway. It's about 4 o'clock when I'm finishing recording this PM. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful week ahead. Be safe. Try to be happy. And I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.